Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. This dog was diagnosed with kennel cough and needed to wear this respirator for a few weeks. This truck was driving on the highway when it got stuck on a barrier and started taking down light poles. Nobody was hurt in the process, not even the driver. This person created his own handheld laser that can pop balloons. This dog was afraid to use an escalator at an airport, but the owner was nice enough to help out. This company made a type of motorized surfboard that allows you to smoothly ride the waves.